The IIIF150 B3 Pro 5G rugged smartphone. The 6.6-inch display, boasting a resolution of 2460 by 1080, offers sharp visuals and smooth navigation. It is powered by the MTK MT6877TT processor, which combines 4-ARM Cortex, a 78 cores at 2.6 GHz, and 4-ARM Cortex, a 55 cores at 2 GHz, ensuring efficient multitasking and high-speed performance. The Mali-G68 GPU at 800 Hz further enhances the gaming and graphic experience. This smartphone is equipped with an astonishing 16 GB of DDR4X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, providing ample space for applications, media, and files. If additional storage is required, it supports a TF card expansion of up to 1 TB. Running on Android 14, the device ensures an optimized and secure user experience with the latest software enhancements. The IIIF150 B3 Pro 5G also features a USB Type-C port for fast data transfer and charging. Its massive 10,800 mAh battery supports 30W fast charging, allowing extended usage without frequent recharging. The camera system on this device is another highlight. The rear camera setup includes a 100MP main sensor and a 20MP night vision camera, allowing for crystal-clear photography even in low-light conditions. With advanced features such as AI sensor detection, portrait mode, HDR, bokeh, and OWL imagery, it caters to photography enthusiasts. The front-facing 32MP camera delivers excellent selfie quality and supports underwater shots, panorama, and HDR modes. Additionally, the phone is equipped with 3 LED flashlights and 2 IR lights to enhance visibility in dark environments. Despite its rugged nature, the IIIF150 B3 Pro maintains a sleek and functional design. It measures 168.8 by 79.6 by 15.85 millimeters and weighs 336 g, making it relatively portable for a rugged device. The under-display fingerprint recognition enhances security while maintaining a seamless look. Its ultra-thin and durable construction ensures that it can withstand tough conditions while remaining comfortable to hold.